Hello, students. Welcome to week 2 of Immaculata's EDL Master's Level course of Financial Sustainability in Catholic Schools. This week, we're going to start to roll up our sleeves and get into some of the nuts and bolts of what you need to know as an administrator of your school. And the first topic that we're going to dive into is that of the balance sheet. A balance sheet is effectively or analogously known as what I like to call your banking app on your phone. So if I were to log in onto my banking app now, it would show, well, not a lot of money, but it would show some money in my account. It would say, okay, well, this is how much in assets I have, right? So let's say I have $1,000 in my bank account. I know what I have the ability to spend. However, I also have access to knowing what my liabilities, which is the bottom side of the balance sheet. And for instance, I have a mortgage payment, and say the mortgage is $1,000. Well, that means I have zero equity because all the money I have is already spoken for on my liability. So that's a really kind of simple example. What's important to note that in the balance sheet is that it is a snapshot of an exact date in time, right? So a balance sheet of a year ago or even 2 or 3 months ago may not be so helpful. So you want to try to keep it within a month when working with your school. All of this is covered in chapter 6, again, of the SPAT book. There are some slides. There's a discussion question for this week, and there is a quiz. There's a 5-question quiz this week. I know you're going to do very well on it. However, if you have questions, if you have concerns, especially of something that you say, hey, you know what, I'm just not sure on this, or I'm not sure that this was definitively covered in either the book or the PowerPoint, again, please reach out to me on my cell or my email. All right, take care, God bless, and enjoy learning about the balance sheet.